Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable duets on TikTok. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So if you're using Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So first of all, you want to open your TikTok app and then go ahead and go to your profile by clicking the profile button on the lower right corner of your screen. After that, you want to click on these three little lines on the upper right corner of your screen and click Settings and Privacy. Then here you want to choose Privacy and scroll down until you see the duet. So just go ahead and click that and click Only Me. So this means that others can't duet with any of your posted videos or future videos. And that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.